Today I will take some numericals. First numerical, which is also an example in your textbook. The example number is 2.9 at page number 79. It is also written on the board. A network of 4 10 microfarad capacitors is connected to a 500 volt supply as shown in figure. Determine A part the equivalent capacitance of the network and B the charge on each capacitor. Diagram is this. In this the potential difference between A and D, and these three we can write them C1, C2, C3, and it is C4. So C1, C2 and C3 are in series. So equivalent will be, it is denoted by C dash is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. As you know the formula in series, 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. 1 upon 10 plus, it will be 3 by 10. So C dash equal to 10 by 3 microfarad. Now this C dash is in parallel with C4. So net capacitance C is equal to C dash plus C4 is equal to 10 by 3 plus 10 is equal to 40 by 3 microfarad. So 40 by 3 microfarad is the equivalent capacitance. Now we want to find the charge on each capacitor. So charge on C4 capacitor, that is Q4, is equal to C4V. C4 is 10 microfarad. 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 multiplied by 500. It will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb. And in C3, C1 and C2, the charge will be same because they are in series. So charge on Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q3 is equal to net capacitance is 10 by 3 into 500. So it will be 5 into 10 to the power 3 upon 3 coulomb. Now next question, which is an exercise, that is exercise the question number is 2.6. You can see your textbook. The question is 3 capacitors, each of capacitance 9 picofarad, are connected in series. What is the total capacitance of the combination? And B part is, what is the potential difference across each capacitor of the combination is connected to 120 volt supply. So 3, we will first make the diagram. Connected with 120 volt. Each capacitor is of 9 picofarad. So because they are in series, so equivalent CS denoted by CS 1 upon C1, it will be 1 upon 9, 3 by 9 or 1 by 3. So CS will be 3 picofarad. Now we want to find the potential difference across each capacitor. So capacitance, because there are three capacitors, each of same capacitance, so potential will divide it equally, and it will be 40 volt each. Another way we can also find, first we will find the charge CSV. So it will be CS is 3 picofarad and voltage is 120. So we will get into 10 to the minus 12 coulomb. So charge potential difference for capacitor 1 is equal to Q upon C1. Q is 360 into 10 to the minus 12 upon C1 is 9 picofarad, 9 into 10 to the minus 12. So we will get 40 volt. Similarly, for other capacitor, we will get the potential difference 40 volt. Now another question 2.7 of your textbook. Three capacitors of capacitances 9 picofarad connected in parallel. What is the total capacitance of the combination? Total combination will get 2.7. PP is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Each is of 9. So it will be 27 picofarad. What is the potential difference across each capacitor of the combination? Determine the charge on each capacitor if the combination connected to a 100 volt supply. So in this way we will connect. Now it is 100 volt. C1, C2, C3. We want to find the charge. So capacitance of each capacitor is same. So charge on first capacitor C1 V. C1 is 9 picofarad and voltage is 100. So it will be 9 into 10 to the minus 10 coulomb. Similarly, Q2 equal to Q3 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power minus 10 coulomb. In additional exercise, question number 2.25, the diagram is shown in this way. Capacitances are 100 picofarad, 200, 200 and 100 picofarad, and potential is 300 volt. So first we'll minus here, and it is 100 picofarad. Then in simplify the diagram, and here is plus, here is minus. It is 100, 100, 200 and it is 200. So equivalent capacitance first we will find. So 100, its name is C1, its name is suppose C2, C3, C4. So C3 and C4 are in series, C3 and C4. in series. So equivalent will be this. So we will get 1 upon 200. We will get C dash is equal to 100 picofarad. And this 100 picofarad is in parallel with C2. So equivalent C double dash is C2 plus C dash will be 200 picofarad. And this C double dash is in series with C1. So net equivalent capacitance denoted by C equivalent 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C double dash. It will be 1 upon 200 plus 1 upon 100. 200 is LCM. 1 plus 2. So C equivalent will 200 by 3 picofarad. Now we want to find the charge on each capacitor. So we will find the total charge. Q is equal to C equivalent into V. So C equivalent is 200 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 12 multiplied by 300. It will be 300 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. So in 100 in C1 the charge is it is denoted by Q1, 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb, and when it will distribute equally in C2 and equivalent of C3 and C4 because capacitance is same 100 picofarad. So in C2 it will be the charge will be half. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb, 10 to the power minus 8 in this, and Q3 is equal to Q4 because they are in series, so charge will same and it will be this. Now next question. Let combination of capacitance in this way. And this X and Y connected with the 6-volt battery. And one capacitor also here. Each capacitor of capacitance 1 microfarad. Now first we will find the equivalent capacitance, that is X. From X, its name is suppose A and its name I it B. So between X and A, at this point is X, there is one capacitor That is 1 microfarad. Between X and D, another 1 microfarad. Between A and B, between A and B 1 microfarad again, and another Y is the point here. Between A and Y, there is another 1 capacitor of 1 microfarad, and between B and Y there is 1 again capacitor. So its simple diagram will form in this way. Because ratio in the arm AX and AY 1:1, and similarly in XB and BY are again 1:1. It means in this arm no charge will pass. It is balanced bridge. So to find equivalent capacitance, these two are in series. So its name I can give C1, C2, C3, C4, C1 and C2 in series. Its equivalent C12 is equal to 1 into 1 upon 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 microfarad. If there are two capacitors, if they are in series, then we can find by product divided by sum of their capacitance. Similarly, C34, they are also in series. 1 into 1 upon 1 plus 1, you will get again. Now C12 and C34 in parallel. So net equivalent capacitance C will be 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 microfarad. One simple way, if in a Wheatstone bridge each capacitance, all capacitances are same, then the equivalent will be equal to the capacitance of any one capacitor. And next question. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. Each capacitor is of capacitance 2 microfarad. We want to find the equivalent capacitance between A and B. The connection are in this way. So first we will write the name of these points A, B, C, D. So in capacitor C2, C3 and C4, you can see one plate is at A, and at point A the second plate of capacitor connected, and first plate of C4 also connected at A at one point. And other plate, second plate of C2 is connected at B, first plate of C3 also connected at B, and second plate of C4 also connected at the same point. So combination will be in this way. And C1 here and C2. It is A, it is B. C1 is 2 microfarad, C2, C3, C4 and it is C5. So C2, C3 and C4 in parallel. So they are equivalent. C2, C3, C4. Let it is C dash. It is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6 microfarad. Now C1, C dash and C5 in series. So equivalent C is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon, you can write C equivalent here, C dash plus, it will be 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 2. 6, 3 plus 1 plus 3, we will get 3, 7 by 6. So C equivalent will be 6 by 7 microfarad. So do some other question of textbook related to parallel and series combination. In next class we will take some other topic.